Hello everyone, this is Hina and welcome to another tutorial of dillenium marketing, and today I'm going to share with you how can you easily create a simple sliced effect or the cutoff effect in Adobe Illustrator. I want to do it on a text, so it's very easy to do if you are working on the branding projects. Then these techniques might help you to improve your branding skills. So let's start now with me. First of all, what I'm going to do, I will take this text layer from here and writing a simple text and now increasing the size. Give it a color, and here I'm using Nirmala UI font with the bold font style, and simply before doing anything else I want to give it a black background, so because the things that we are going to do will be more prominent on the black color. So, and now keeping it back, press Ctrl 2 to lock this layer. Now it will help you to avoid distraction during the work, and increase the size of this text, and taking this rectangular tool from here and dragging a simple line like this. It's a semi-thin line, and now keeping at the middle of this text and give it a little angling without any proportion, just a simple random angling that I want to provide this text just to divide the text. And before doing anything else, I want to select this text here and convert it into outlines. So it will be look like this. Now select both the layers together here, go to the window here, choose the pathfinder and use this trim option from here, click on it and simply ungroup, and now divide the layers like this, removing the middle part because we don't need it anymore now, and here simply attaching together. For the upper layer, I want to use this gradient color that I've already created. So here I'm going to use this one. And now what I'm going to do, I will simply select the upper part of this layer and here go to the effects section, choose the stylize and here drop shadow. So what the next I'm going to do, right click, go to arrange and bring to front. So you can see that how the design has been formed. So these are the simple techniques that you can apply to create some type of to work on a different style of text. So these are the simple things that I want to share here. So if you like my tutorial, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a very good day. Bye bye.